Hello, today we're doing a video about this Windows 10s, and it's basically Windows 10 but it's worse. The worst thing Microsoft ever made was Windows 8, but this is even worse. This is the worst, well, not the worst, not the very early versions were the worst, but this is the worst modern version. It's like Windows 95, it's the worst since then. And this video would explain why, really. So Windows 10s is meant to be for security, but it's not really good security because they've done this. They've made it be secure by putting certain restrictions on, and one of the worst restriction is that you can only install apps in the Windows Microsoft Store, and there's barely any apps available on there. It's like really little, and yeah, you can't get Google Chrome on there, and there's another thing about that. And another thing is that you have to use Microsoft Edge, which is a terrible, really slow, really unsecure browser. And the final thing is that you have to use a Bing as a search engine, which is really, really annoying. So, what do you think about Windows 10s then?
I don't know anything about it because you just told me about it today, so I don't know anything.
What do you think about it? Do you like it?
Well, I haven't seen it yet, so I don't...
It's basically like Windows 10. It looks exactly the same, as far as I'm concerned, and it runs on this I can't remember the name of the computer. It was like this Windows laptop that has the Windows logo on it. And
what's the difference to Windows 10?
So on Windows 10s, as I've mentioned in this video, so I shouldn't have to tell you again, is that you have to install apps on the Windows Store, which means a lot of apps aren't available on the Windows Store, but you can get them from the browser, but that blocks it. Installing from browsers or, little CDs banned in Windows 10s. And also you have to use Microsoft Edge, which is a really safe browser. So, and you have to use Bing, which is terrible. Google is much better. So what are your comments on this? Jeff, what are your comments? You need to say some comments. Do you like it? That's all I want you to say. Do you like it?
Yes, I do like it.
No, it's terrible. You don't like it, do you?
I don't like it.
So you don't like Windows 10s?
Yes.
Good. Right, you can have a gold medal. Right, so it's almost the end of that video. Like and subscribe. Bye.